Ever struggled with removing bandages smoothly? We've got the perfect solution for you. Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, your trusted partner in premium surgical instruments. Today we're thrilled to introduce our Bandage Scissors, a must-have for healthcare professionals worldwide. Designed for safe and efficient bandage removal, these scissors offer precision, durability, and ease of use. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, our scissors are built to last, rust-resistant, and fully sterilizable for repeated use. The angled design and blunt tip protect the skin, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience for patients. Plus, the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, allowing for precision even during extended use. As a renowned manufacturer and exporter, Spec Surgical Industry delivers high-quality surgical instruments to suppliers and distributors globally. We meet international standards, ensuring our products are reliable, durable, and trusted by healthcare professionals. Thank you for watching. Interested in our Bandage Scissors or other premium instruments? Contact us for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from Spec Surgical Industry.